In this session, we're going to talk about the cell and the battery and the difference between both. So, as we know, the cell and the battery both are the devices that are used to produce the electrons or the electricity. Both of the devices is the storage of the chemical energy which within the time transfers into the electrical energy. Now let's talk about the cell and the battery. First of all, cell. Cell is basically the smaller unit. Cell consists of a dry cell. Dry cell basically works on the principles that it can't be bursted and it cannot be again regenerated. Cell is represented by the symbol that you can see here. The positive terminal shows the anode, while the negative terminal shows the cathode. The downside of the cell is called the cathode and upper side is called the anode. Now let's talk about the battery. Battery is basically the larger unit. It is the collection of the cells that are joined in series. That probably means the positive anode is joined by the cathode of another cell. In a condition wherever the electron moves, so basically it transfers from one cell to another. And these can be connected in parallel or series as you wish. But the battery uses the wet cell. Wet cell allows to be regenerated, recreated, or it can be sought out. Cell is denoted by the symbol as you can see here. This positive sign shows us the anode, while these dot shows that it is connected by the cathode of another cell. Now this was the general introduction to cell and battery. Let's talk about the difference between the cell and battery and which is more convenient to use. As both of the devices is a storage of chemical energy that converts into the electrical energy. So basically if we talk about the cell, so cell is non-rechargeable as it consists of the dry cell. So dry cell consists of the graphite and the chemical paste of NH4Cl. Now because of that, if in a condition NH4Cl is all used, so that cell becomes expired. As compared to the battery, battery consists of a collection of cells that are joined in the series. It consists of the wet cell that probably shows us that it is rechargeable. We can regenerate the wet cell. If we compare the amount of both of the cell and battery, so the cell is basically cheaper than the battery. As cell is a smaller unit and battery is a larger unit, so cell is more cheaper and the battery is expensive. However, it is more convenient to use the batteries instead of the cell. As batteries are rechargeable and long-lasting, so it can prevent a severe damage and again installation of the cell. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that cell and battery is clear to you all.